Hey guys, my name is Madison and I'm super excited to take you through some of my favorites from Clarins, specifically their Makeup Heroes products. They are amazing and I am huge on just having glowy, natural skin on a day-to-day basis. Like, of course, sometimes I like to do something a little more out there, but on a regular basis, it's all about a natural glow. And these products, let me just tell you, they are perfect for that natural glow. First, I wanted to start with the primer options. This one is good for dark spots, and this one is just overall radiance. And I tend to have hyperpigmentation issues around in like this area, so I'm gonna mix both of these primers actually. I'm gonna start off with the dark spot minimizing primer, and I'm gonna put it around my eyes. And it's a nice, as you can see, like a nice peachy tone, which is great for balancing the dark and making it look brighter. And then I'm gonna take the Radiance Boosting one. I think this one's my favorite. It's like a really, really pretty highlighty product. I actually don't need to use highlighter when I use this primer. And sometimes I add a little bit more on top of my makeup, which I might actually do. So I now did the primer everywhere, and I'm going to next do a little bit of the instant concealer. So we're just gonna conceal a little bit on the T-zone. I'm just gonna put it right on the brush. Something I did want to mention too about the primer that makes a huge difference with the overall look of my face is that it has organic sea lily extract, which is really good for hydration. So it's basically, I mean, I put on a cream before. My skin's very combination, so I'm actually also into a glowier, dewier look anyways, so I don't mind having a little more shine. Skincare in so many ways is the new focus. Like, it's not just about covering up, it's about making sure your skin is healthy and glowing, and Clarins is kind of a multitasking line, so I love that a lot. I don't even have highlighter on it. I'm seeing some glow. But I'm gonna put a little bit more as my highlighter of this one right on my cheekbones to finish it off. Primer's fun too because you actually can use it in different ways, I'm learning. You can mix it with the foundation or concealer. You can use it on top. You could use it everywhere, all of the time. Okay, so now that my base is done, I am gonna go in and do some lip. So right now I have on the Clarins Natural Light Lip Perfector. What I love a lot about this product is that it's kind of like a lip nourishing treatment. Okay, this is one of my favorite Clarins products. This is the Lip Comfort Oil. Look at this shade. I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm gonna show you. This is one of my favorite tricks with lip. I don't like to put gloss or anything too shiny all over. I actually like to just put it right in the center. This is their Mascara Supra Volume, and I'm gonna show you right now it in action. I didn't even curl or do anything to my lashes before, and these are my real lashes, so this is pretty impressive. Amazing. Okay, I'm feeling it. I think I want to try something fun with the lip comfort oil that I put right here. Something I like to do with lip products is take a little bit of the oil into my fingers, and I'm gonna do a little bit of a glossy lid. I don't think people realize that the lip products are also eye safe, and there you have it. I'm not done. The Clarins Fix Makeup Spray is amazing for a setting spray. So even though I have a very like glossy look right now, it's kind of an essential step to keep it in place. Something I really love about the spray also is that it's hydrating. So it kind of gives you a dewy finish while also sticking it into place in the way you want it. So I'm gonna finish off. I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching. This is my natural glowing skin with Clarins Makeup Heroes, among a few others, and I hope this inspires you to show your true, beautiful, glowing skin. Thanks, guys. Regular basis, it's all about a natural glow, and these products, let me just tell you, they are perfect. Okay, I'm feeling it.